Welcome back to LV ReLoved. I have a package to open with you and I'm really excited about this. This is from my good friend Lori in Colorado, and we have a mutual passion for vintage Louis Vuitton, particularly French Luggage Company. So she and I talk quite often about Louis Vuitton. There's always something new to learn out there. She has this bag that I've been eyeing for a while, and finally she sent it to me and we get to open it. One thing I must add about Lori is that we have become great friends through Louis Vuitton. She is a lover of vintage items from the French Luggage Company, as well as I am. She is a true historian of Louis Vuitton. She knows a lot. I've learned a lot from her, and I probably talk to her every day about Louis Vuitton. So, this is, oh, it's beautifully packed. Oh my goodness. I don't have one of the, I think I'm gonna cry. She gave me a French company, one of the original French company dust covers. Oh my God. You're new to your bag is the perfect fit for this French company dust bag that she's had for many, many years. Oh. Oh my gosh. What an unexpected surprise. I have never seen one of these. Okay, so a little background on the company if you didn't already know. If you didn't watch my video on my French Luggage Company collection, is that in the 70s, and this is a brief history, in the 70s there was such a huge demand for Louis Vuitton in the States, and Louis Vuitton couldn't keep up with it, so they commissioned the French Luggage Company, which is an American company, to manufacture bags to supply Saks, Bloomies, Neiman Marcus, Ike Magnum, and some select high-end department stores. It's one of the first bags that the French Luggage Company made for Louis Vuitton. You can tell that by a few things, and once we get closer in, I'll show you. So here it is. It measures 8 inches wide by 5.5, and then you've got 2.5. What's the bottom? 2.5 inches on the bottom. Oh, isn't this a cutie? A chic cutie. The reason why you can tell that this is one of the first ones made is because the zipper pull is different. So the French company supplied the hardware and the leather, and Louis Vuitton sent over the canvas. Zipper pulls like that. One authentication marker would be a YKK zipper pull, but this is not. This is one of the first bags the French Luggage Company made because of the pull, and I just think that's so dainty and pretty. The French Luggage Company did not name their styles. Sometimes they'd only make a couple of one style, and they're really obscure, they're really hard to find. If you do find one, you probably hadn't seen one before. Oh my goodness, I think there's stuff in here. So the strap measures 46 inches long, but it's not adjustable. And I do believe it'll work well as a cross. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Way cuter than in the pictures. And they did the coated leather, of course. And there was 2 colors. There's like this camel color and more of like a cognac color. Has the leather pull. A lot of times these are missing because they're kind of just latched on there. You could actually undo that. It's a loop through there. Oh, look what she put some stuff in here. Oh, a diary. What is this? She said this is a satchel to absorb moisture when you store your bag. Okay, yes, vintage bags sometimes have a musty smell inside of them, and a lot of times it's impossible to get out, but you can air it out and it'll be okay until you store it again for a while. That's one of the reasons why I don't store my bags. I keep them on shelves, or I don't leave bubble wrap in them. I don't use anything but tissue or unprinted newsprint. Show you the interior. So it's lined with leather. It does have a zipper, and there is that lovely little pendant style zipper. So she did say there were some pen marks inside, which is fine with me. and no odor that I can tell. Let's see what fits inside. So I have my iPhone 8 Plus, and I've been using this as a wallet lately. This is a Centenaire little mini notebook, and I don't like to carry a lot of wallet stuff. I don't even carry cash, so it has just some card slots in it for my basic cards, and a gold pen. So that fits great in there. I've got my reading glasses. I will probably just wear my sunglasses. In the zipper pocket, I can put a gloss, and I was thinking about putting a charm on it. Everything fits good. It zips fine. I could put more stuff in there if I wanted to. So let's do a model shot. Thank you, Lori. This is the best. You're the best.